Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update Roblox on PC or laptop. All right. So first up, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Roblox. Okay. If you can see a Roblox app right here, it doesn't say Roblox Player. Okay. Just Roblox. That means that you have downloaded the game from the Microsoft Store. Okay. When you hover your mouse onto it, or when you click on it, you'll be able to see app settings. As you can see here, mine is downloaded via web. So it says Roblox Player, and instead of app settings, I'll be able to find open file location. Okay. Now, if you have downloaded the game from Microsoft Store, now to update it, just click on your search bar and type in Microsoft Store. Open it up like so. Now go ahead and find a Roblox. Okay. Just type in Roblox, hit on enter, and in here you should be able to see it. Just click on it. Now instead of get, you'll be able to see an update button right here. Just click on it. Once that's done, go and restart computer and enjoy the game. Now, if your Roblox Player, which is downloaded from the web, asks you to update the application itself, well, normally it doesn't ask you to update the app, okay? But if it does, just go ahead over to your taskbar right here and right-click on the Start menu and click on Installed Apps, okay? In here, just go ahead and find Roblox Player right here. Or type in Roblox if you must, like so. Roblox Player. This one is for all. Okay, just click on it, hit on uninstall, wait for the process to finish, and download it once more from your favorite browser. Just type in roblox.com. Okay, once you're in here, just play any game, and it will just download the application for you. Okay, open up a game, now hit on play right here, and again, the Roblox Player will be automatically downloaded in your computer. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.